Hi, welcome back to MS Excel 2013 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and modify charts. Now, basically a chart is a graphical representation of the data that's contained within our table. So what I'm going to do is show you how to set it up very easily. One of the biggest problems is with people trying to show data within a table. They try and show too much. Let me give you an example. By selecting everything that we've got over here, insert the table, and it's very difficult to make out what the table's actually trying to tell us here, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is delete it, and we're going to take a lesser data. So I'm going to select all the salespeople, and I want to see what the sales totals are. Go to Insert, under the Charts group over here, go to Tables, 2D, and there we have it. We can see the information of all the salespeople in a graphical format. So there we have the sales totals, showing each salesperson and the amount that they've sold. What would happen if I wanted to show additional information? I can redo the chart, delete the old one, select a new chart with all the information, insert, chart, 2D chart. And there we can now see that we've got the value on the left hand side, we've got the person, the quantity that they've sold, or the number of items they've sold, and the totals that they've sold. I can show this in a different way as well by changing the chart type. To do that, I go over here to type, click on it, and I can now go into different charts and select them. So there you're getting a different view. The other method as well is to go in and change the data. So what I do is I select my chart, go to select data over here, and as you can see, it's showing me the data. On the left hand side, it's showing me number of items sold and sales total. On the right hand side over here, it's showing me the people's names. So I just want to see the totals. I'll take the check mark off for number of items sold, click OK, and now we can see we've only got our totals. If I want to go back and change that data again, select data, take off the sales totals and add number of items. And as you can see, it modifies the chart as we go along. Right, let's do this a bit differently now. I'm going to select sales totals first, and then I'm going to go and select the salespeople. I'm now going to generate the chart, insert, chart 2D, and there we can see it's giving us the information. It's giving the salesperson at the bottom and the values on the side. Right, let's say we wanted to reverse this data. In other words, we wanted to show the names on the vertical axis and the values on the horizontal. To do that, once again, select in the chart. Here you can go to select data and you can switch rows and columns there. Okay, or alternatively, switch rows and columns here. So we can do it either way, and that does it for us. So as you can see, we can manipulate the data in many different ways if we want to. We can also go in and change the design of the chart by going to designs over here. Brings us back to where we were, and we can select the different designs that we want. Click on it and it's done. Changing chart types we can do as well. We can go and put it into sideway bars, line charts. So as you can see, there's no limit to what we can do as long as we know what we're doing and we do it properly. What I'd like you to do now is go in, set up a small chart the same way as I have. Go in, select the data that you want to show in the chart, and go and select the chart. Manipulate the data to change the look of the charts. Go in and select different information or different data. Change the chart type, and also go in and switch the rows and columns. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.